In our first video today, I dug a little through the internet archives and found this clip from 9 years ago. Excuse the Minecraft level graphics. That's just how technology looked back then. Police were chasing a woman on the highway after she ran a red light and crashed.
Check that car.
And yes, when she got out of the car, she was completely naked. The officers must have been hungry that day because they wrapped her up like a burrito using a tarp and placed her in the squad car. In Baltimore, Maryland, police were alerted by a phone call from one of the suspect's family members. They reported that he was intoxicated, had threatened to hurt them, and was holding a gun. Shortly after, he left the house in his car.
Baltimore County 911, status of the emergency.
Yes, I want to report that my son just left the house and he's out there driving drunk.
Okay, what is your address?
Well, he's not here right now. He just left.
Okay, is that near Pharmacost Road?
Near Armacost Road, yes. Okay. And I'm afraid, I've been trying to talk him out of it for about an hour because I had his car keys and he started getting violent. And I'm afraid, and he's threatened to commit suicide.
Police immediately went after him.
Whoa. All right, he stopped quick on us, guys. Watch out. You're walking up in the car now.
The officers hadn't planned to escalate things this far, but the suspect appeared aggressive and the situation spiraled quickly.
Watch out in case he backs up. Let me see your hands, police department. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Put your hands on the dash. Put your hands on the dash. Put the vehicle in park. 12, start me some more cars. He's refusing my commands. Vehicle's still in drive. Correction, he just put it in park. He's not putting his hands on the dash. Put your hands on the dash. Do it now. Please put your hands on the dash. Turn your car off. Please turn your car off.
I will not turn my car off.
Please turn your car off, sir.
I will not turn my car off. I'm getting out.
Don't get out of the car, sir. Don't get out of the car. Don't get out of the car. Shit. Fucking hell. 712, shots fired, shots fired.
The man was later identified as Eric John Sopp. A police spokesperson stated that no weapon was recovered from his body. After paramedics arrived, he was pronounced dead at the scene. On June the 7th, a 911 call reported that a man had been confronted by two people while attempting to shoplift from the Big R store. In response, he attacked both of them with a knife. Police quickly arrived at the scene.
Does he have a knife? Okay.
You got a gun.
Okay, hey, get back! Get back! Stop! Get back! Get back! Get back! Put the knife down! Get back down! Get down! Put it down, brother! I don't want to hurt you!
No, yes you do.
Put it down! I don't want to hurt you!
No!
Put it down, brother!
No!
Put it down! It's not worth it! It's not worth it!
Yes, it is!
Put it down, man!
It is!
I just talked to you the other day, man. Just put it down.
You did not.
Yeah, I did. Well, tell me about
Not
it.
like this. Let me go.
Put it down, man.
No.
Put it down.
No.
Come on, man. Let me help you. Stop. Stop it.
Oh, shit. Let me go or not. No. Fuck yes. Yes.
Stop it!
Stop it! Shoot me in the
Stop it! Put it down! Put it down!
No!
Put it down!
What stands out here is just how fast the officers reacted under pressure. While Officer Dietz was backing away from Galassini for his own safety, he tripped over a raised curb. At that exact moment, Officer Ornelas shouted at Galassini to draw his attention away. Do you think the officers handled this situation with the right reaction speed? Share your thoughts in the comments. A man called 911, reporting that he had been attacked by someone armed with a deadly weapon.
911 operator 57, state your emergency.
I'm at the corner of San Antonio and on a ring, and my brother just hit me with a sword in the back of the head.
He hit you with a sword?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you to stop where you are so I can have an officer contact you. Did you need the paramedics?
Yeah, you might need someone to check my head out. I don't know, he hit me hard with a sword.
He's still in the area?
He's walking like nothing happened. He's walking down the street.
What direction is he walking?
He's walking on San Antonio towards
Is he northbound or southbound?
He's heading towards 2nd Street. I don't know I guess it would be southbound.
What's he wearing, color shirt and pants?
He's wearing a light blue beanie, dark blue sweater, and blue pants.
Officers quickly responded to the scene and located the suspect.
The street reservoir, he's right at the corner.
He's at Reservoir and what?
It's down at the corner. He's almost making the turn to the right.
Oh, there he goes. Okay, I got him. Stay here. Okay, be right back. Stay here. Looks like he's going to be running southbound Reservoir for a second.
San Antonio.
Stop, motherfucker! Stop now! Stop now! Let me see your fucking hands! Stop! 998, one at 998, second in Reservoir, 998. Give me medical aid over here now.
The officer was forced to open fire as the suspect was extremely aggressive. The man had nothing more to say. Paramedics later pronounced him dead at the scene. The victim, who made the 911 call, was transported to a local hospital where doctors expect him to make a full recovery. In this video, we can see that there are situations where police officers abuse the power they hold. Officers had been alerted about a young man who was allegedly trying to enter a construction site late at night.
What are you going to do with the ID? Just run your criminal record. Okay. No, I need it. I have to process those also.
Oh yeah? That's great.
No,
you know
no,
what
no.
time it is?
Yeah, I do.
What time is it?
It sucks. It's late as
What time is it?
It's late as
What would latest mean for you?
past 3 a.m., sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So if you're a
Yes.
contractor
Yes.
and you're interested in
But
that
I'm on the
building,
weekend,
shut
sir.
up and listen to me.
Yeah, I'm listening, sir.
You don't come over here at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Sir?
Stand back. Don't you walk up to me like that.
Excuse me?
You want to walk up to me like that and go to jail? Don't you ever walk up to me like that again. Sit down. Sit down on the ground. Orlando Police, you're under arrest. Sit down on the goddamn ground and stop resisting. You understand me? Stop resisting. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands.
Sir, put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back. Now.
Officer, hey, I'm
Sir, relax.
I'm not.
Sir, relax.
I didn't do anything. This is ridiculous. Are you serious? Ma'am, I'm not doing anything.
Well, then, next time you don't walk up on the fucking police when we tell you to stand back.
Sir, you grabbed my jugular and shoved me to the ground.
No, I pushed you back when you walked up to me.
Sir,
you don't do that.
Stop talking.
Stand up.
You grabbed my jugular and shoved me to the ground. Do you know who I work for?
Who do you work for?
Roger B. Kennedy Construction.
Right.
Police Officer Frank Sikos was dismissed from duty until the outcome of the trial is determined. I can't help but think maybe he had an argument with his wife before coming to work. That's how irritable he looked. What do you think? Did he completely overreact to such a minor issue? Police spotted a vehicle that had been reported stolen, so they attempted to stop it and identify the driver. The suspect tried to flee the scene, but officers acted immediately.
Bravo 151, he's having issues with his vehicle. Yeah, we're at North Temple. We're on, over by the health department. Okay, let's see if we can drag it.
Hands! Hands! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Right now, if you drive, that's deadly force.
Stop! 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 Stop!
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Bravo 151, shots fired. Officers are fine. He's trying to run into officers. Let me see your hands! Now! Let me see your hands!
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Let me see your hands up! Let me see your hands.
I can't do
Keep them up.
I'm sorry. Ow, this is really paralyzed, sir. I'm sorry. Ow. Holy shit. Sir, I have a mental disability. I'm sorry. That was fucked up. Ow. I'm paralyzed, dude. My leg.
Okay, you were dragging me with your car, man.
I didn't know I have a mental disability. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm paralyzed. My arm's paralyzed from me. Help me, please.
Are we good to go hands
I'm
on?
done.
Yeah.
Please help me. I can't open my right hand. My right leg's paralyzed. Sorry, my right hand.
Your hands are here, man.
The driver who was shot was identified as 20-year-old Tyler Keaton Webster. He was transported to a local hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. We've reached the end of today's compilation. Each of these cases shows us just how unpredictable encounters between police and suspects can be. Sometimes officers are forced to make split-second life or death decisions, while other times we witness overreactions that raise serious questions. Either way, these bodycam and dashcam recordings capture the raw reality of the streets, unfiltered and unscripted. Tell us in the comments which moment shocked you the most and how you think you would have reacted in that situation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episodes. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.